What's up, everybody? It's LLOGG from JWKTV, and this is the LLOGG Vlog.
We about to turn it
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my weekly vlog. And we've had a pretty busy week this week, but it's been a good week. Here's Butter and Lucy hanging out in the building, excited to be out playing around and stuff like that. And like I said, we had a pretty busy week, and I'll go through some sets and kind of explain some things and show you where everything's at this week. So here's my building cleaned up. Nothing special. It is to me. I got a much bigger space to work in. I got it cleaned up, wired up, ready to work. I got to do some machine maintenance. Hey, Butter. And just some cleaning out, getting rid of some stuff. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, everything's level. There's my bandsaw with my light in the corner. I got to do some maintenance on it. My lathe's pretty good. It just needs to be cleaned off. And then my Dremel station, which I got an updated version of that. And then my drill press area. Here's kind of a spin around of my building. It's kind of funny because I got a little bit dizzy while I was doing that. It don't take much for me to get dizzy. So the problem we were having with Jeb getting out of the roost was solved by just letting everybody out of the pen and letting them roam the yard. So we're pretty happy about that. But in the same sense, 3 of our little bitty ones did get killed. Lucy did get a hold of them. I don't know why. We wasn't home. She don't mess with the bigger ones, but she messed with the little ones, and unfortunately they died. But they've been having fun roaming around the yard. We also been letting the cats out more and letting them roam around the yard. They've been doing pretty good, and I kind of snuck a shot of Jinx, aka Fatso, just kind of creeping around the yard, checking things out. She's a sweetheart. She always wants to be loved on, and if she can sit in your lap, she's happy. Sometimes it's a little bit too much, but she's a good cat. She's usually following me around the yard and just seeing what I'm getting into. This tripped me out because she come running up to me, and she's over there messing with the chicken. She goes over there and tells Jeb to quit doing something. I don't know, but you can see her right here. She's telling him, she's fussing at him, and then she tells him to go. She's gonna learn one day, but Jeb's a good sport about it, and she's just got a little attitude about her. There's the other 2. They usually roam about themselves. And I snuck up on old Scooter here, and he's starting to fill out. He's getting to be a bigger boy. He's getting a little bit thick, getting his little beard going on. He's got a little smell to him, but he is definitely getting to be a big boy. And he's a pretty boy. And there's Lucy, smiling.